Hey everyone, Dale here from Press to Cook. Today we're diving deep into a household headache that many of us have faced, a washing machine that just won't spin. Is your laundry piling up because your washer is on strike? Well, fear not, because by the end of this video, you'll be a washing machine troubleshooting pro. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Press to Cook for more awesome tips and tricks to make your life easier. And hey, ring that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Alright, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the most common issue, an unbalanced load. If your washing machine is shaking like a maraca, it's probably because the load inside is uneven. This can cause the washer to refuse to spin. Try redistributing the clothes evenly and see if that solves the problem. Now if that didn't do the trick, let's move on to the next potential culprit, the lid switch. The lid switch is a safety feature that prevents the washer from spinning with the lid open. Over time this switch can wear out or become misaligned. To check this, unplug your washer and locate the lid switch, usually near the door frame. If it looks damaged or loose, you might need to replace it. Still no luck? No worries, we've got more tricks up our sleeve. The next thing to investigate is the drive belt. Just like a car, your washing machine has belts that help it operate smoothly. Over time, these belts can become worn or even snap. To inspect the drive belt, you'll need to remove the back panel of the washer. If the belt looks frayed or broken, it's time for a replacement. Another common issue is a clogged drain pump. If your washer won't spin and there's still water inside, the drain pump might be blocked. First, unplug the washer and locate the drain pump, usually at the bottom of the machine. Check for any debris or blockages and clear them out if needed. This can often get your washer back in working order. Next up, we have the motor coupling. The motor coupling connects the motor to the transmission and can wear out over time, especially in older machines. To check this, you'll need to remove the cabinet of the washer and inspect the coupling. If it's broken or worn, replacing it should solve the issue. Let's not forget about the timer. In some cases, the timer can malfunction and prevent the washer from advancing to the spin cycle. If you have a multimeter, you can test the timer for continuity. If it's faulty, replacing it should get your washer spinning again. And finally, we have the control board. The control board is the brain of your washing machine and can sometimes fail. This is a more complex issue and you might need a professional to diagnose and replace the control board if necessary. There you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to troubleshooting a washing machine that won't spin. Remember, safety first. Always unplug your washer before performing any inspections or repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Press to Cook for more household hacks and how-tos. And if you have any questions or additional tips, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy washing and keep pressing to cook.